Urticaria or hives. Urticaria or hives, you suddenly wake up in the morning or you are suddenly looking at yourself, you start to scratch. When you start scratching, you find one pinkish red rash that keeps forming on the hands, on the face, or anywhere in the body. It kinds of comes above the surface of the skin. It's a little thickened area. It is pinkish in color. It is hot. It is warm. And it is itchy. You go on scratching it for some time. It goes on bothering you for some time. It can remain for a few hours, sometimes a day, and then it disappears. It completely goes away that you don't know what is wrong, what went wrong at all. This is called as urticaria or hives. Now, in severe case of urticaria, we get people whose lips get swollen. The lower lip sometimes gets so swollen that it looks like one very funny thing. Or the upper lip may be swollen. The earlobes might get swollen. The eyes might get swollen. You might get it all over your body. There are also people who come with lines, pink colored lines on the body. You draw a line like this with your nail and you will find one line appearing there. Now, these are all the presentations of urticaria or hives. What causes it? Urticaria is an allergic reaction of the body to something. Now, what is this something? It could be something you eat, it could be something you drink, it could be something you apply, it could be something in the air, it could be stress, it could be as simple as taking a hot shower, it could be the shampoo that you have tried, it could be the oil that you have tried. Oh, it could be a whole lot of things. Very difficult to figure out what you are allergic to. But once you get urticaria, I have known people who suffer with urticaria not for days, not for months, but for years. I've had people coming to me suffering with urticaria for 25 to 30 years. There are also those urticarias which just come and go away, that we don't bother about it. But chronic urticaria is something to worry about. What is the main reason? I told you it's an allergic reaction. What is the treatment in allopathy? The first line of treatment is antihistamines or anti-allergic tablets. Like a cetirizine, Avil, you take it, you feel better. Next day you're back to square one again. Again you take it. So you go to the dermatologist, they'll give you anti-allergen for a month. You're fine. You stop it, it'll come back again. You take it for 3 months. Again you take it, it'll still bother you. I know people who take urticaria and anti-allergens for years together. But you do know that anti-allergen medicines taken over a long period of time do have side effects. And they are not solving your problem. It is just keeping it in control. In severe cases, they take steroids. In very severe cases where the urticaria goes into the respiratory tract, you might get breathlessness and then you have to be admitted or you have to be given steroid injections. In the US and in other countries, advanced countries, they carry the pen which they warn the patients in case of anything. You take a shot so that you don't die because of breathing. But in my 30 years of practice, I have not seen anything like that happen. It's an exaggerated thing. It doesn't happen to most people. What can homeopathy do? We believe that it is the body that is reacting to something. It is difficult to find out. You do a series of tests and you come across some 10 to 20 things that you're allergic to. All those are normal things that you do on a day-to-day basis. How can you keep away from those things? It's not practically possible. You cannot live your life not touching this, not touching this, not touching this. It doesn't work that way. We need to have a solution to it. So homeopathy, it stops your body from reacting to these allergens over a period of time. We improve your immune system so that your body does not react to whatever you are allergic to. It takes time. Of course it takes time because the change has to happen from inside, not from outside. So typically once we start on the medication, we tell them to continue with the antihistamines for some time. If they are already on antihistamines every day, take antihistamines every day, homeopathy every day, then slowly make your antihistamines on alternate day, then once in 2 days, once in 3 days, and gradually taper it off and use it only as an SOS. That means only when it is necessary. We've been successful in getting rid of antihistamines for lots of people, and we've been treating them with homeopathy for over a period of time, and we've been able to stop homeopathy also, and they're doing very well. They're able to take everything, expose themselves, nothing happens. Urticaria can completely be taken care of with medication. There are very effective medicines that can take care of it. If you're diagnosed with urticaria or hives, don't try anything else until you have tried homeopathy, because homeopathy does have a fantastic solution for urticaria. Take care.